Hello viewers, welcome to my channel KSR English Made Easy. This channel is for those who want to develop their English language skills. If you like the videos, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Happy learning. The aim of the International Phonetic Association is to promote the scientific study of the phonetics, that is, the various speech sounds in English language, and many practical applications of this science. Now we are going to explore all this alphabet. The 26 English alphabet represent 44 English speech sounds. They are further categorized into two types. One is the vowel sounds, they are 20, and the other one is consonant sounds, they are 24. Vowels are again classified into pure vowels, they are 12, and diphthongs, they are 18 number. So now in this session we learn all the pure vowels and diphthongs. Now we are going to learn the pure vowels by the International Phonetic Alphabet. Pure vowel, each one contains a single sound. That is why it is also called monophthongs, a single sound by the International Phonetic Alphabet. Here phonetic symbol is given, and next here we have three words which are called as keywords. A keyword always explains the sound of this symbol. In isolation we can't learn the sounds of the symbols. So if you learn with the help of a word which is known as a keyword, we can easily remember that. So in all these 12, the first one is A. This is the symbol that indicates the sound A. Short one. Cup, cut, C-O-M-E, come. All these bold letters, they indicate the sound that is given here. The next one is A. That is the long sound of this one. Here we have to understand that these two slanty lines always indicates that these are not the letters, they are the representation of the sounds that we are learning. So this is A. Next, two dots always indicates the sound is a lengthy one, not a short one. Here we have two dots. So that colon symbol indicates the length of a sound. So A, P-A-L-M, palm. Here we have C-A-R-T, cart. A-S-K, ask. The third one is E, short one. As we can see this in I-N-K, ink. P-I-N-K, pink, ink. H-A-P-P-Y, happy. In many cases, the final Y indicates the sound E. Like the fourth one is the long sound of this E, that is E. This can be found in sheep, W, sheep, I-E, field, E, M-E-A-N, mean. Next, the fifth one is U. This is U. As we can see this sound in P-U-T, put, B-O-O-K, book, uk, U, P-U-L-L, pull, U. Next one, the lengthy sound of this U is U. As we can see this in F-O-O-D, food, T-W-O, two, M-O-V-E, move, like that. Next, the seventh one is, this is A. Pen, A, E-G-G, egg, A, L-E-N-D, land, A. So all these sounds from one, these are easy a little bit. Next, here we have a sound here from this sound onwards up to the last one. All these five are not existing in our mother tongue. These are very special in English language. This sound is called A. How can this sound be produced? This sound is produced by making our mouth a little bit round. Here we can see a note, that is, this sound is produced by keeping the mouth round. If you put your mouth round, the sound comes, that is O. It is not O as we see in our mother tongue. That is O. P-O-T, pot. G-O-D, God, odd. S-H-O-P, shop. Pot, God, shop. Put your mouth round and release a sound. Next one, the ninth one is the lengthy sound of this O. This is O. Caught. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. A-L-L, all. Not all, all. Next we move on to the next sound, which is an intermediate sound of A and A. This sound is called A, not in our mother tongue. A, which can be easily remembered with the letter, this one, this word, F-A-N, fan, an. A-P-P-L-E, apple, apple. Not apple or apple. This is not apple or apple. Combination of A and I is A. Apple, B-A-T, bat. Next, the 11th one is this sound is which is looking like a reversed E. This is somewhat a half mute of the sound A. If you produce A and then close your mouth, then the sound comes. This is not A. This is alone, alone. Not alone. This is alone, not alone. This is neither A nor A. This is alone. Next, it is given in the final position, F-A-T-H-E-R, father, father. In final R we find this sound in mother, not mother, mother, sister, doctor. Next one, initial sound is given here, above. This is not above, this is above, like about. Next one is the lengthy sound of this mute A. This is called This is not A. It's Reduce the A sound, this sound comes. E-A-R-N, earn, not earn. E-A-R-N, earn. G-I-R-L, girl. E-A-R-T-H. We can see the sound here. E-A-R-T-H, earth. Earn, girl, earth. Once again, let us explore all these symbols. This is A, this is A, this is E, this is E, is U, U, E, O, A, These are all the sounds which are called pure vowels. Next, we move on to the next concept, that is diphthongs. Diphthongs are 8 in number. Di means 2. These are the combination of two sounds. So here we have given the symbol and the keyword that represents the same sound. This is the combination of A and E. That is the I. It is in our mother tongue, I. We can say this in B-I-T, bite, I-C, eyes, C-R-Y, cry. Next one is A and U. Ow. This is also there in our mother tongue. C-O-W, cow. This is ow. M-O-U-T-H. This O-U, the sound indicated here is ow, represented by these bold letters O-U. Ow. Next one is O-U-T, out. The third one is A and E. That is A. A and E is A. P-A-Y, pay. Generally, we produce the word P-A-Y, pay. Here we have to remember one thing, that is, there is no such a sound in English like A. A is there, A is not there. A. This is not a date, date. M-A-K-E, make. This is the sound here, A. Next is O and E, I. Yes, we can see this in toy, ointment, ointment, coin. This is A and mute A, that is air, 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 A and A, air. This is A-I-R, air. In American English, they produce this final R. They say this as air. According to the British English, we say this air. H-A-I-R, this is hair. C-H-A-I-R, this is chair. Once again we see the sounds I, O, A, I and air. Now we move on to the next three sounds. This is E and ear, ear, E and ear. Fear, ear, near, ear, fear, near. This is ear, near. D-E-A-R also, dear, dear, dear friends, like that. This one is oo and oor, oo and oor. For this we have to remember this word P-O-O-R, poor, 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 poor. T-O-U-R, tour. F-U-E-L, fuel, lure, fuel, tour, poor. Next one is and oo. O. This is O. We can see this in the word S-N-O-W, snow, not O. Here we have to remember very clearly that there is no such a sound like O. O, as we have in our mother tongue. O is not there. O is there. O. O is not there. In such a place, this sound comes. O. Snow, post, goat. Snow, post and goat. Once again we see all the sounds at a time. The first one is I, O, A, I, ear, ear, over, O, ear, over, O. Now let us have a small exercise on understanding the diphthongs. Here we have some sentences from which we have to trace out the diphthongs. In the first example, we have I'll buy some toys for the baby. I'll buy some toys for the baby. I'll buy some toys for the baby. Here we have a diphthong, that is I. Here B-U-Y, buy, I. Toy, here we have I. Here we have another one, bay, a. So we have in this sentence we have 4 diphthongs used. See how important diphthongs are in the usage. Next, the second one is why are they making noise? Why are they making all that noise? Why? I is there. They is there. Making, this here this is making, a. Here is a diphthong and here is a diphthong, that is noise, I. Next, third one, she is learning to ride a bicycle. She is learning to ride a bicycle. Here we don't have a diphthong. Learning don't have a diphthong. Here ride. I. Bicycle. I is here. Next, the fourth one is there is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. There. No, oh, doubt, out, about, out, oh. In this we have 4 diphthongs. Next we see the fifth one, that is, does he know to use a bow? Does he know how to use a bow? Here we have a diphthong no, oh, how, oh, and bow, ow. In this way, if we practice identifying the monophthongs as well as the diphthongs, with the help of the keywords we can learn these sounds. It becomes very easy to comprehend all the phonetic alphabet, and we can articulate with the help of these kind of words. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.